Hey viewers, welcome back to Kintech, the channel that brings you all the cool tech stuff. So, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can create a virtual machine. Well, what is virtual machine? Virtual machine is basically a computer inside a computer, like you are building a computer inside your physical computer. In this video, I'll be using my Dell laptop to create another virtual computer inside my Dell laptop. So you can use a Hyper-V, or you can use a VirtualBox to create a virtual machine. So without further ado, I will get straight into this video. So I have created my first virtual machine, and I'll be showing you guys here. So here is my virtual machine. You see, this is a new virtual machine that I have created. It's a computer inside computer. You see, this is the virtual computer or the virtual machine, and you see, and this is my physical computer. That's the screen of my physical computer or my laptop, my Dell laptop here. And then here you can see what I've said. This is the virtual machine. So I'll type I'll enter my password, and you will see how it is like. Let's maximize it. So you see, that's the file explorer. Inside it, I have nothing, no document. You see, no photos, no videos, no movies, or no videos, no movies. Nothing in this new virtual machine that I have created. So you see, nothing at all. So that's what I've created, and I'm about to show you step by step how you can create one like what I have just created. So the search bar here, we'll type Hyper-V, open Hyper-V manager. So what we're gonna do is, I have created one for myself, but I would like to show you guys step by step how you can create one. So let's we click new here so that we can create virtual machine. You see, so new virtual machine wizard. Before you begin, yes, we'll click next here, and then you can read the instructions step by step. So specify name and location, name of your virtual machine. For now, I'll say Seva. Let's say Seva 2025. Let's give that name. Okay. Store the virtual machine in a different location. We'll skip that one. You can, if you'd like to store your virtual machine in one of your locations in the file explorer, or if you would like to save your virtual machine in a different file location, then go ahead and click this one. Then you can go browse, and you can store it anywhere in your file explorer or your folder, any folder that you wish to. Or I'll put a folder, put a virtual machine, but for now we'll cancel this one, then uncheck this one. Then you click next. Okay, it says here specify generation. Choose the generation of the virtual machine. generation 1 and generation 2, but I think it's better we go for generation 1. So it's automatically it selected generation 1, so we'll go with generation 1. Then specify the amount of memory to allocate to this virtual machine. You can specify an amount from 32 MB megabytes to, yeah, I don't want to read all this stuff here, but you can go and read it so you know what you are doing. So for now we'll leave this the startup memory for this virtual machine. We'll leave this way to 1024. We'll leave it this way, and then you must make sure to check this one, use dynamic memory for this virtual machine, and then you click next. Okay, new configuration network, so connection not connected, so we have to select something here. So we'll select default switch. Okay, after selecting our connection to default switch, we'll click next. Then we have what it says here, connection, connect virtual hard disk. We'll make the virtual hard disk. I will leave the name as it is, and we're gonna reduce the size of this and size of the virtual hard disk to, let's say, 100. Just for now we say 100. Use an existing virtual hard disk. No, that's a virtual hard disk later. No. So we'll click next. You can install an operating system now if you have access to the setup media, or you can install it later. Install an operating system later. No, install an operating system from a portable. Yes, we want to create that one. So we are going to select our media here, which is physical CD or DVD drive, or the image file. If you have not if you but you must make sure to install one ISO file, which is very important. Well, for now we will select ISO file, but let me explain what really is ISO file. ISO file is a complete copy of the virtual disk, like CD, DVD drive, and all the files that inside the CD or DVD drive. So it's a copy of the CD or DVD drive. So for me, I have download one, and it's here. So we're gonna open this one, then click next. So completing the new virtual machine. So we have done this, completely created our virtual machine, and here is our summary name. Our name for the virtual machine is 2025, December 2025, generation 1, memory 1024 MB, network set default switch, and then hard disk here, and then we have operating system. So everything is done. We're gonna click finish. But before we click finish, let me show you one thing here, how you can download. Let's go back to here, how you can download image file. Yeah, I mean the ISO file, the copy of the CD or DVD drive. So go to your browser, mine is Google Chrome, and then let's say download download ISO file. window window 10. Okay, the click this first one here. uh, Click this one. Then let's scroll down and see if it's here, if we can download that iOS file. But you see, there's nothing such as iOS file or the image. There's no way you can download iOS image here. But when you click the website, it says you can download, but you see, we can't see where to download. So what we have to do, I'll show you a trick. You go click this three icon or customize and control Google Chrome. You click this one and go all the way down to Notebook. Then you go to developer tool, Control plus Shift plus I. You click this one and it will bring you this thing here. So you scroll down, then you uncheck this one, user agent. You uncheck it, and then you select Chrome OS. You select Chrome OS. Where's Chrome OS? And then you refresh the page. You watch it. Anything going to change here? Let's keep an eye on it and see how it goes. Yes, that's it. Now you see, when you refresh the Microsoft page here, you can see that there's some changes here. So you can see Windows 10 2023 update version 2022 selection edition. So you see, now we can yes, you can select this one and to confirm. But for my case, I have downloaded it already. It's about 5.7 GB, so it will take some time for you to download this thing. So that's basically how you're gonna download iOS file. So without iOS file, you cannot create virtual machine. I think that's definitely you can't create virtual machine. So you go, you click confirm, and then you download, and then there'll be some steps, like you will gonna select your language, the country, and all those. You have to follow step by step, and then you download that iOS file. So that's all about this, how you can trick Microsoft and then you download an iOS file. So that's basically about that. So we'll close this and then we'll go back here. So we're gonna click next. Click next. That's it. I already explained this part, and that's the summary of virtual machine. Then let's click finish. All our virtual machine is about to start. So this is all the information about our device is off. So what we have to do, this is the first one that I've explained. I mean the first virtual machine that I have created is this is which is still running. So I have to close mine here, then turn off. So it's like turning off your laptop or your physical computer. So the our server 2025, the recent virtual machine that we have created, is still off. Like it's the state of the virtual machine is currently off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch on the computer or the virtual machine. So let's say start. So our server 2025 is now starting. You can see it's loading here, or it's launching. So not launching, but you can see that there's some changes happening. So what we're gonna do is, yeah, basically we're gonna double click here. Go with this. Yes. Here. So select the language. That's our new visual message. Seba 2025. So language, no other language we can choose from the drop down list here. So we go with United States, and then time and currency. Yeah, different time and currency. You can go with French, Zimbabwe, Filipino. Oh, different French. Then so for then so on. So, but for now we'll go with United States. I think that's the best option. Click next. So keyboard input method. Let's click and see. Is there any thing here? Or there are different type of keyboard or input method. But I think in this video we choose US. Yeah, we go with US. But you can choose uh any one of these list here. You can, if it's up to you. But for me, in this video I'll be choosing US. Then let's click next. So install the latest version of Windows 7 or repair your PC. If you are installing Windows 7, please note your files and settings should be deleted. I would like to install Windows 7. Exactly. We agree with the terms and conditions, then we click next. We are getting a few things. So, so select the image you want to install. So, oh, there are different types of rating system here. So it's up to you. There you can see for Windows Server 2025 Standard Vision, Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience, Windows Server 2025 Data Center Evaluation, and Windows Server 2025 Data Center Evaluation Desktop. I think uh, from this list you can select whichever is what you think best for you. So I think for me, I'll be going with Windows Server 2025 Data Center Evaluation for desktop. So I'll click this one and then next. Oh, there are different types of applicable notice about license terms. You can read if you would like to read more about this, but I don't like to read more than 5 to 6 minutes here. Well, 5 to 6, but yeah, I don't like to read too much. So let's just accept the terms and conditions and then let's move forward. Click next, and then yes, install. Okay, installing Windows 7. So your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. So when it reach 100%, or our installing, our window is installing Windows 7 now. So let's just relax for some time and let's wait for the completion of this installation. When it's complete, you are ready to go. You are ready to use virtual machine. You want to do whatsoever on the virtual machine, or yeah, you can do anything. You can do like practicing hacking, but be an ethical hacker, right? So yeah, basically, but whatever thing you do on your virtual machine won't directly affect your physical machine, physical computer. That's one of the very important thing about virtual machines. Yeah, anything that you do on physical on your virtual machine won't affect or harm your physical computer or your laptop. So it will take time, so we'll wait and see. Wait for the completion. Virtual machine is just the same as your physical computer. You can download operating system, applications, you can anything you want to do it your virtual machine. Just the same thing that you used to do with your physical computer, like installing applications, operating systems, and anything you can do it. It's very interesting about it. So yeah, for the installation to finish, it will take roughly 10 to uh 10, 11, 12 minutes something around that. So be patient and just wait for the completion of the installation of Windows 7. So our installation is done now. So let's see. It's loading. Yes, that's our virtual machine. Our server 2025. Wow, that's really good. Nice. Let's wait. It's loading. Yes, it's done now. Yes, now we completely installed the or created our server 2025 virtual machine. So now we're going to create our password for our virtual machine. So let's type any password here. Let's see. Finish. Oh, our password is not necessary, guys. The password you type doesn't mean the password complete. All right. I know. So we will create a complex password here. Finish. That's it. That's your kitchen machine. It's loading. It's getting prepared now. So press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del to unlock. So listen up. So we can't just press Ctrl Alt plus Delete on the keyboard, the physical keyboard. What you have to do is you have to select this one. This is Ctrl Alt plus Delete. You see. So you will click this one. See. That's it. That's your virtual machine now. So let's type our password that we have just created. See. Connect. What's going on? Accept. That's it. That's your virtual machine. So that's how you can create a virtual machine using Hyper-V, or you can use VirtualBox. But in this video, I'm using Hyper-V to create the virtual machine. So that's for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates like the one you are watching now.